Hello, and welcome to my video on stock market investing for beginners. If you're new to the world of investing and want to start building wealth through the stock market, this video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and strategies that you can use to make smart investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. Part 1: Understanding the stock market. Before you start investing, it's important to understand what the stock market is and how it works. The stock market is a place where investors can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a share of stock, you're buying a small piece of ownership in that company. As the company's profits grow, so does the value of your shares. Part 2: Choosing the right stocks. When it comes to choosing which stocks to invest in, there are a few key things to consider. First, you'll want to look at the company's financials, such as its revenue and earnings growth, profit margins, and debt levels. You can find this information by looking at the company's financial statements, which are publicly available. Second, you'll want to look at the company's competitive advantage. What makes this company unique? Do they have a strong brand, unique technology, or a large market share? Companies with a strong competitive advantage are more likely to succeed over the long term, which can lead to higher stock prices. Finally, you'll want to consider the company's valuation. Is the stock price reasonable, given the company's financials and competitive position? You can use metrics like the price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, and the price-to-sales ratio, PS ratio, to help you evaluate whether a stock is overvalued or undervalued. Part 3: Basic analysis. Once you've chosen a stock to invest in, it's important to do some basic analysis to ensure that you're making a smart investment decision. First, you'll want to look at the company's financial statements in more detail, paying attention to key metrics like revenue growth, earnings per share, and profit margins. Next, you'll want to look at the company's management team. Are they experienced and capable of leading the company to success? Do they have a track record of making smart business decisions? Finally, you'll want to look at the overall market trends and economic conditions. Is the market in a bull or bear market? Are interest rates low or high? These factors can all have an impact on the performance of your stock. Part 4: Investing strategies. There are many different strategies that you can use when investing in the stock market. One popular strategy is called dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This can help you avoid the temptation to buy high and sell low. Another strategy is called value investing, which involves looking for undervalued stocks that have the potential to increase in price over time. This strategy requires patience and discipline, as it may take some time for the market to recognize the value of the stock. Finally, you may want to consider investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which provide exposure to a diversified portfolio of stocks. These investments are a good option for beginners who want to minimize their risk and simplify their investment strategy. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over the long term, but it requires careful research and analysis. By choosing the right stocks, doing basic analysis, and following a smart investment strategy, you can achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. Thank you for watching, and happy investing!